Welcome to Artoflife. Today you will learn some basics English sentences. Let's start the video. You must keep trying. You must keep trying. आप कोशिश करते रहें. आप कोशिश करते रहें. It is the best time to learn. It is the best time to learn. ये सीखने का सबसे अच्छा समय है. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? आपने ऐसा क्यों किया? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? क्या तुम्हारे पास और कोई विचार है? What will I say to her? What will I say to her? मैं उसे क्या कहूँगा? Don't tell him about it. Don't tell him about it. इसके बारे में उसे मत बताना. Don't think so much about me. Don't think so much about me. मेरे बारे में इतना मत सोचो. It is time to have fun. It is time to have fun. मौज मस्ती करने का समय है. He is always good. He is always good. वह हमेशा अच्छा है. वह हमेशा अच्छा है. Don't take it to the heart. Don't take it to the heart. इसे दिल में मत लो. You should keep your promise. You should keep your promise. आपको अपना वादा निभाना चाहिए. It is too difficult for me. It is too difficult for me. ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल है. I will be around. I will be around. मुझे आसपास रहना है. I disagree with you. I disagree with you. मैं आपसे असहमत हूँ. Don't let him down. Don't let him down. उसे निराश मत करो. Get to work. Get to work. काम करने के लिए मिलते हैं. We should end it. We should end it. इसे हमें समाप्त करना चाहिए. End this matter here. End this matter here. इस मामले को यहीं समाप्त करें. I can only feel. I can only feel. मैं केवल महसूस कर सकता हूँ.